Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhavna and you are watching Bhavna's Diary. तो जैसा कि आपने इस वीडियो के टाइटल में पढ़ ही लिया होगा, दिस वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट मी। ये वीडियो दूसरे वीडियो की तरह आम नहीं होगा। यहाँ पर मैं कुछ सवालों के जवाब दूंगी जिससे आप मुझे थोड़ा और अच्छे से जान पाए। ट्रेडिशनल क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मैं नहीं देना पसंद करूंगी, यानी कि मेरा नाम क्या है, मेरी हाइट क्या है, मेरे आंखों का कलर क्या है, मैं किसी को देखूं तो मैं सबसे पहले क्या सोचती हूँ उसके बारे में, ये सारा कुछ नहीं। बेसिक इन्फॉर्मेशन तो मैं अपने बारे में जरूर दूंगी। हाय, मेरा नाम है भावना। आई वर्क एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर एंड सून आई बी कंप्लीटिंग 5 years इन IT इंडस्ट्री। मैंने अपना YouTube चैनल मार्च 2020 में शुरू किया था, जहां पर मेरा मोटो था कि मैं जो भी चीजें अपने नॉर्मल डे में करती हूँ या फिर मैं कुछ जो नया सीखती हूँ वो मैं बाकी लोगों के साथ भी शेयर कर सकूँ। Okay, so let's start by answering few of the normal questions which says day job. Yes, मैंने आपको बता दिया कि मैं एक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर हूँ। Hometown, I live in Nasik. What makes me happy? Well, a kind-hearted person makes me happy. My most used emoji, it is this. जब हम ऐसे करते हैं वो बंदर, that is my most used emoji. A fact about my personality. So here I would say कभी भी कोई नया इंसान मुझसे मिलता है तो they always think that मैं बात नहीं करूंगी सबसे पहले, and that is a fact. मैं नहीं बात करती सबसे पहले अगर मैं किसी से मिलूं, but the fact is I am never the first person to start talking because I think I am a kind of shy and nervous person and I'm also not so social. Okay, so the last question in the questions list, that is my favorite quote. My favorite quote is ये भी गुजर जाएगा. Okay, so the next thing is I am quickly gonna play this or that. So let's start. I will make sure कि I read very fast. This or that. Am I an early bird or a night owl? Early bird, but I really strive hard to get up in the morning. बट आई एम डेफिनेटली नॉट ए नाइट आउल। मुझे 10:30 बजे ही नींद आनी शुरू हो जाती है। एम आई एन इंट्रोवर्ट और एन एक्सट्रोवर्ट? आई एम एन इंट्रोवर्ट। कैट पर्सन और डॉग पर्सन? डॉग पर्सन। मुझे बिल्लियों से डर लगता है, आई डोंट नो व्हाई। ऑप्टिमिस्ट और पेसिमिस्ट? ऑप्टिमिस्ट। टी और कॉफी? एनी टाइम टी। नाइट और डे? डे। पिज्जा और बर्गर? बर्गर। Beach or mountain? I have never been to a beach and I've been to a small mountain, Dongar. So I would say mountain. Comedy or horror? Comedy, only comedy. I am very scared of horror movies. Spender or saver? Saver. Breakfast or no breakfast? Breakfast. I cannot go without breakfast even a single day. Sweet or savory? I would say this depends. Movies or TV shows? ऐसे TV shows जो जल्दी खत्म हो जाए, but not movies. Books और movies? तो contradict हो गया. But if you ask me books or movies, I'd prefer movies. Nights in, nights out? Skip. Pizza or pasta? Pizza. Spring or autumn? Autumn? I don't know. Breakfast or dinner? Breakfast. Dinner भी. Cookies और cake? Cookies. Because आजकल के केक जो होता है उनमें केक कम होता है और बाकी सब बहुत सारा होता है। Sunrise और sunset? Sunrise. Text or calls? I would say call because I'm very bad at texting. I really मुझे बहुत कंटाला आता है। I'm very lazy at replying to text. Very lazy. Summers or winters? Winters. Puzzles or board games? Board games. Shower or tub? I've never been to a tub, so I'll say shower. Flats or heels? Flats, not heels. Mean or kind-hearted? Kind-hearted. Funny or serious? Sometimes funny. A lot of times serious. Intelligent or ignorant? Intelligent. Idealistic, realistic, realistic. Sensitive or tough, sensitive. Organized or chaotic, organized, very well organized. And I prefer people who are also organized. Leader or follower, leader. Nice restaurant or street food? Street food. Because restaurant में बहुत सारे लोग जाते हैं. Street food पे भी बहुत सारे लोग जाते हैं. But they need more money. Hot air balloon or helicopter? Now I would like to ride on both. Ride in, ride on. मुझे दोनों पे जाना है. But hot air balloon. बीच विला और कोजी के बीच बीच विला. Slow travel or see. Slow travel or see it all now. Slow travel. Snow or beach. I've never been to any. Airplane or boat? Bapre. Airplane only. No boat. I'm very, very, very scared of waters. Hike a mountain or swim in the sea? Hike a mountain. Okay. So the next section is my last. So the first question. Last app I used. It would be this. Notes. Last thing I bought. Actually, I don't remember. It was a skincare product. Last message I sent. Oh my god, I have to check. Okay, it was. It's oh nice. And this. Okay, so the next question is. Last meal I ate poha. Last holiday I went on. It was to Pune. In March. Last movie I saw. I don't remember. Last book I read. I don't read, so no books. Probably my master's ka book. If that falls into the category, otherwise, sorry. Last TV show you binge watched? Okay, so I would say this is the Sweet Life of Zack and Cody. Because उसमें एक एपिसोड में सब खत्म हो जाता है, मतलब उस एपिसोड का स्टोरी, अदरवाइज तो चलता रहता है. बट आई लाइक टीवी शोज जो आज के दिन में ही रैप अप हो जाए तो कल उन्हें देखने का फिर से दिमाग में ना हो कि अरे मुझे फिर से देखना है, नहीं खत्म हो गया, ऐसा वाला टीवी शो. लास्ट गेम यू प्लेड? इट वाज अ कैरम बोर्ड. लास्ट सॉन्ग यू डांस टू? इश्के दी चाशनी. Which app is my favorite? It has to be YouTube. Because wait a minute, I'll show you. So I'm in this digital well-being section of settings and you can see most of my time it has to be YouTube. So the next section is 3 things. Let's start. 3 names you go by. 3 names I go by: my mother, my father, and my friends. There are many. 3 things you like about yourself. I am very organized. I have a lot of patience, and I forgive people easily. So that is what I like. And I forgive and I forget. Yes. 3 things that scare you. Water, horror movies, and sudden shocks. 3 accounts you follow. So if you're asking me about a business account, so I would say there is, as I am a software developer, so I have been following codeinfo.net. So this is a very good, I would say, website to learn R programming and other stuffs if you are interested. Otherwise, you can go check out their profile. It's very nice, and they also explain it in a very detailed manner. So for someone like me who is knowing nothing about R programming, I think that website is a go-to website when I have to search for anything. So you can go there. Rest, I would say in fashion, I follow Mridul Sharma, and I guess her surname is Sharma, but Mridul, and also Sabaka Jahan. I know who doesn't follow her. So I like her. 3 careers you have considered. Oh, I haven't considered any. Whatever falls in my plate, I have accepted it. But yes, I always wanted to be a star, I would say. 3 places you want to visit. I am dying to visit Shriman Dagdushet Halwai Temple in Pune. After that, I obviously want to go on a beach and in snow. These 2 places, and in mountains. Okay, then I listed 4. Okay, so the next section is would you rather. Let's roll. Would you rather lose all your money or photos? Money. Win a holiday or a car? Holiday. Meet Mother Teresa or Princess Diana? Mother Teresa. Have many friends or couple of close friends? I only have couple of close friends, as I have said that I am a very introvert and very shy, and I am not the first person who approaches. So there are a lot of people who don't approach me, and ultimately those who have approached me are my close friends. Be able to fly or read minds? I would say I would be able to fly, because there's no point in reading others' mind. If they are chaotic, just fly away. Have $1 million or more years of life? More years of life. Okay, dollars I can earn anytime. Stay where we are or move to a new city? I don't mind any. I say I don't mind both. Learn to play a sport well or play an instrument well? Play an instrument well. Be in high school or college again? So most of my good friends are from college. So I would rather be in college again, specifying that some of the characters to escape. Have an extra hour of sleep or an extra hour of alone time? I am a very sleepy person, but an extra hour of alone time. I enjoy my own company, so I really don't need anyone to be around, and I'm very happy. Drive 4 hours or work in yard for 4 hours? I will say work in yard for 4 hours. Have a new wardrobe or a new car? Have a new car. I so wanted to buy a new car, and I'll do that very soon. So that is it from my side. I hope you liked the video. अगर यहाँ तक देख लिया है तो subscribe भी कर दो, because very soon I'll be coming up with Diva Logs. Now, as you all know that Diwali is approaching, so I am planning on to make a Diva Log. So right from the 1st of that month till Diwali's date, I'll be posting back-to-back videos every day. So the videos will be on home decor, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, everything which I will do, and I will take you along with me. So I would say stay tuned, और अगर आपने अब तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो. I have seen most of my viewers are not my subscribers. So 60% of my viewers are not my subscribers. So क्यों नहीं किया? अभी कर लो. I'll wait. Get there? Okay then. That is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video और आपको मेरे बारे में कुछ information मिली होगी. So here I'll take your leave. See you next weekend. Until then, be blissful. Bye.